Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the world and game state. Ocram only appears in certain legacy or event modes, so make sure you meet those conditions. Once done, equip mobility and defensive gear. You need to survive the spawn moments. Next, prepare an arena where the boss can spawn reliably, clear space, set up platforms and campfires for regeneration. Do this now so you can immediately trigger the summoning method without wasting time on last-minute prep. Now summon Ocram or provoke its spawn by meeting time and location requirements. You must be precise about night cycles or event activations. Once it appears, maintain high mobility and use platforms to dodge strafing attacks while focusing on priority targets like turrets or glowing segments. Keep healing potions and buffs timed. You should kite and burst when openings appear. Make sure to rotate weapons for armor piercing or crowd control effects to reduce phase length and limit risky contact damage. For the final phase, commit to continuous damage during vulnerability windows and avoid reckless charges. Stagger your healing so you never hit a zero health panic. Once Ocram falls, immediately collect drops and check inventory for the Razor or related items. If the boss does not spawn or drops are missing, verify that your world type and event flags match required conditions, remove interfering NPCs or blocks, and try again. Make sure to back up your save to prevent losing rare loot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.